How to delete Netflix card details. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you delete your Netflix card details. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Netflix with your account by using your browser, or you can also directly open the Netflix app. Alright, so after you open the Netflix, you'll got such interface. So from your at the top left corner, you'll have to tap on three dot. Okay, so from the three dot section, you'll have to tap on your account. Alright, so from there, you'll have to just scroll down and go the options like manage payment info, and after you tap on that manage payment info, you'll be able to see such interface. So from the manage payment info, you'll be able to change your payment method by adding your payment method on the option. So you have to just tap on the option add payment method, and after you tap on that, you'll have to just tap or add your credit card or debit card, or you can also add your PayPal account. And although you can also entirely cancel your membership from the Netflix account, so for that you'll have to just back from here, and from the account section you'll have to scroll down more and go the sections like cancel membership, and after you tap on that cancel membership section, you'll be able to cancel your entire membership. So simply check on this option and tap on the option finish cancellation option, and after you tap on that finish cancellation, you'll be able to cancel your entire membership from your Netflix account, and from that way you can easily delete your Netflix card details. So these are the process. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.